Hello, it's Castaway Trader and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be talking about Russell and the video is called RTY Launch of a New Rally. Before we start, please read that important disclaimer. Okay, this is how my website looks like. The address is www.castawaytrader.com and there I post updates. I post regular updates, premium updates for my subscribers under that section of the menu subscription, but you can also check free updates I post almost daily under that section, which is called market analysis. And if you want to subscribe, you click register and you can pick any option you like. Regular breaking stock charts start from only $24.99 a month. Okay. This report I sent to subscribers at 10:40 a.m. on Tuesday, June 25th. RTY keeps holding the green target box. This pullback is not deep enough to consider it a great long setup. I will be waiting for a first move up to confirm the bottom is in. And as you can see, the price has entered into my green target box and I was tracking that corrective pattern A down, B up and C down because ABC is foundation of the harmonic Elliott wave theory and it's a very practical tool in your trading. And here you can see I pay attention to two moving averages, 200 moving average and 1000 moving average, and I add those moving averages to every single time frame I'm working with. And on Tuesday 3:30 in the afternoon the very same day, I became much more confident that the bottom was in. I sent out a note called RTY looks having completed a corrective ABC structure into the green target box. Specifically I wrote RTY has nicely tagged the 276.4 extension and the blue 200 moving average line on 2-hour chart. It has a completed corrective pattern and may start rallying to a new higher high again. The bottom is in and it looked really nice. Thursday 9:55 a.m. June 27th, it happened yesterday actually. RTI spent a day in the green target box and now shows some intention to get out of there. It has made a complete corrective, A down, B up, C down, and it still looks ready to rally again. Look at that nice candle. The price was 1536 and the first note I sent about the bottom, the price was 1528. And this morning at 8:50 a.m. I sent out this chart to my subscribers and I try to give them a bigger picture, what we should expect. My primary scenario remains the very same, the wave parenthesis A or parenthesis 5, which is basically the rally started in December 18, has not completed yet for Russell. That rally has to be subdivided into 5 full waves, subwaves, and we are still missing the very last move in wave C of 5 that has to make a new higher high of 2019. And specifically, as you can see, this is the bottom of wave 4, this is the top of wave 3, and I'm expecting the very last A up, B down and C up. And sometimes that final C up may come as a very strong rally, which would be longer, much longer than the first leg in that ABC up. At this morning, Russell was at 1553. Remember, on Tuesday it was 1528, so by that point it has already added almost 2%. And now, when I'm recording this video and it's only 2 p.m., it's 1569. So Russell has added more than 2% in 2 days after my bullish call. And this is a fractal which Russell has been nicely following since the low made in December 18. I think we have just made that bottom, and even though that rally is to complete that whole fractal. You should not be afraid of that very last rally, because as I mentioned, that final wave C of 5 may come as a very strong rally. At least it has to make a new higher high. What never happens in harmonic Elliott wave is so-called truncation. This is what people use in the classic version of Elliott wave theory, when they expect the final move up in wave 5 and then it gets terminated and we say, oops, it's a truncation, meaning that we did not get it. In harmonic Elliott wave, it doesn't happen. We should get the final rally, and that rally should go over the top made in February 2019 and higher than wave A of 5 made on June 18th of 2019. Yes, it can terminate a little bit earlier than the perfect 5 wave up, but anyway, we still need to get a new higher high. Good news! I'm going to release my new video course. It's called Trade Like a Pro. I've been working on that course for 6 months, even more than that. And that course would be much more practical than my first introductory course to the harmonic Elliott wave. In that course, I will be talking about how to convert your knowledge about wave analysis into winning trading setups. And we will be talking about risk, we will be talking about reward, we will be talking about winning rates. Those 3 components that you should well understand if you want to turn your trading hobby into your business, if you want to trade for a living. And let me briefly explain what I will be covering in this course. First, the best macro setups, when it makes sense to buy on weakness and when you should buy breakouts. Again, I will only be talking about wave structures. I'm not going to add something new. If you have taken my first course, you will be building upon the knowledge you've already got, but that would be completely new stuff for you, and you would get new ideas, new extensions, or you will understand better how to use those ratios you learned first in the introductory course. The second point, the best micro setups. This is a brand new stuff. I'm going to show you when you open a trade, how to set stop and how to set multiple targets to improve your profit factor, to make more money on each trade. Third, extensions that keep stopping pullbacks and rallies. Fourth, how to find a great entry at the first deep pullback of wave 2. We will be looking at wave 2 with more details. We will see what are the factors that can impact a reversal of wave 2 and continuation of the rally in wave 3. Next, comprehensive guide on microstructure of the strongest part of the rally, wave 3. We will be talking in details about small waves inside wave 3, how you can pick up small pullbacks, and how you can be sure that wave 3 is about to terminate. It's super important because wave 4 is a very reliable long setup, but to be able to play for wave 4, you have to understand when wave 3 is exhausted and when it's about to terminate. Finally, the final ABC push in wave 5, very reliable, my favorite repeating pattern, and the classic Elliott wave theory is not aware of completely, and this is why I love it. So if you want to get that course, now it's a great opportunity for you, because I'm offering 33% pre-launch discount. I will give you a link under this video, in description of this video. Just fill out a simple form, leave your email, and you will be guaranteed to get a coupon for 33% discount. Hurry up, because it's only available until July 5th, 2019. Then that coupon will be terminated. So the original price is 149.99, and with 33% coupon, pre-launch coupon, you're gonna pay only $99.99 lifetime access, means forever. And if you want to try one of my subscription plans, you can go to www.castawaytrader.com, register, and you can choose any of my plans. For example, those are simple plans. We are covering US indices, crude oil and natural gas, or bottoming value stocks, where we look at fundamentals and where we look at the technical picture of very interesting setups in various stocks. Those companies that keep printing money and pay hefty dividends. Thank you so much for your time. Keep counting waves and make money. It was your friend, Castaway Trader. Have a great weekend.